On this second video, Friday, March the 23rd, we have our 24 volts. This is for the relay, correct, Tony?
Yeah,
That's
for
the one for the relay for the CD status. Here we have our Crowbar in command, 24 volts. Let me just point out where that's going. So for the command, we're going to 3 and 4, and that's coming through here. This is our command. This is the constant one for the CV status between 5 and 8. Here we have the 120 coming in to power the boards, and this variac, single phase variac, powers the primary of this high voltage transformer, and that's where we're going to get the rectified voltage. We're looking at the AC input, and here we have the rectified output, and the board has been powered. This green LED, it's on. It's not crowbar because we have 24 volt AC and because we are below the 650 threshold. Also on the second board, we can know that the unit, it's crowbar ready. It's ready to crowbar. We haven't built up any voltage, so we have another LED in the back that it's a high voltage, and we have yet another LED in the middle that says that the unit has crowbar. So we're not there yet. So I'm going to ask Tony to build up the voltage to about 500, still below the threshold. So we have 120, and again, really the voltage that we're looking at, it's the rectified voltage. So for 318, 350, I want to stop there, Tony. 370 volts AC. By the way, we have probes here, that's why we're reading millivolts, but it's really 368 volts. We have 509, so we're at 509 volts. So, by the way, give me one second. This right here, it's on pins. It's at 6 and 7. We're looking at the status, and the status is it's normally closed and it will only open when we fire. We notice that it's closed. The command is there, so we're not fired. The LED is not. So go ahead, Tony, and fire. Now his fire. We have the crowbar on, and this open up. So let's go ahead and bring it back again, Tony. It closed. So now the crowbar. So this shows you the This shows you the auto. Now let's go ahead and go here, Tony. All right. So let's go ahead and try it out again, just with the manual and. All right. And here we have this signals, either there or getting removed because of the crowbar. I'll come back on this on the third video. All right. So now, again, it's closed. Now we're going to go to autonomous. So Tony's going to keep on increasing until we reach close to that 500 volts. And I'll ask you to move back because we're going to be taking a look at this signal here. All right. So 530, 540, 570. This is ready to trigger. There you go. Go ahead. You can bring it back, Tony. So now one of the things that happened here is the LED here didn't follow, but we see the signals here. Let's try it one more time, Tony. Now looking at this, looking over here, Tony. Okay. And yep, we're gonna look there. So again, if we look here, that boom, there you go. Now that changed, and then here we have that LED. Go ahead. I'll bring it back, Tony. All right. So this shows you that whether it's manual or whether it's autonomous, the relay will follow, and the unit will trigger, will crowbar, and the LED for crowbar on the snubber board, on the bottom board, will always indicate that you're crowbarring, whether it's manually or autonomous. This is the end of this video.